Kylie Kelce just added a new German Shepherd puppy to the chaos, and the naming process is peak Kelce marriage. Kylie adopted the pup at the end of March and named her Bernadette. She even warned everyone, Jason's probably gonna change it. 2 days later, name changed. The new name is Matilda. But get this, Jason's serious contender was Broomhilda. Kylie said, I want people to remember this the next time they come at me about how we named our 4 daughters. Because when your husband is pushing Broomhilda, suddenly Wyatt, Bennett, Elliot, and Finley don't look so wild. From cat negotiations to puppy chaos, this is why we love the Kelces.